Hi there, this is Dr. John from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. I want to talk to you a little bit about gut health. Did you know that gut health can be one of the biggest determinants of long-term health and wellness? So many people have abnormalities in their gut, whether it's an absorption problem, an inflammation problem, a bacteriological balance problem, or even an infectious problem. And without understanding these things, sometimes it's impossible to get a handle on people's health and their wellness, particularly if they're having gut symptoms like bloating or cramping or others, which we get into and we deal with on a regular basis here in this office. By obtaining this very simple test, which can be done at home in a very simple package that's very easy to understand and perform, we can look at in detail what's going on in your gut, and we can identify these four main potential problem areas. And with the results of this test, we may be able to make some recommendations that can either eliminate or substantially improve these particular problems in your gut. There are just so many problems and issues that are related to the gut, from inflammation to overall well-being to micronutrient health and well-being, that are impacted by what is going on in your gut. So understanding this, by obtaining this very simple test, we can identify these areas and make appropriate recommendations. This is Dr. John from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness.